Hi guys, and welcome to a new grammar lesson. Today we're going to talk about comparative and superlative adjectives. Now let's warm up. Which one is taller? The marker. The marker is taller than the glue. Okay. How about this? Which one is smaller? This one is smaller. Okay. Let's take another example. We have two books. Which book is bigger? This one or this one? This book is bigger. Okay. So what did we just do right now? We compared two objects, trying to say which one is bigger or smaller. We added er at the end of the adjective. So in order to compare two objects, we add er. This is called a comparative adjective. Okay, now let's use the superlative adjective. We have three objects. Which one is the biggest or tallest? Which one is the tallest? This marker is the tallest, or it's the biggest. Okay, so I added est to form the superlative adjective. Very good. Let's take another object. Okay. Which one is the smallest? This one is the smallest. They're nearly the same size, but okay. Awesome. So we add est to form the superlative adjective. Now let's watch a short video that summarizes and gives a brief explanation of how to form the comparative and superlative adjective. Let's begin. Today we're going to talk about comparative and superlative adjectives. So let's take the adjective fast. We have a bike. Now let's practice with some verbs, regular verbs, okay? So we have cute, smart. Okay, give me another verb. Strong. Okay. Now let's turn them into the comparative form. What are we going to add? Er. Okay, let's try this. Cuter. So we have the e. That's why we only end the word with r, not er. The e is already in the word. Okay. How about smart? What do we add? R or er? Er. Awesome. Okay. Strong. Er. Very good. Okay. If we want to form the superlative adjective, we add est. Okay, so it's going to be exactly the same. Let's just write it here. Okay, you see it? Cutest, smartest. Okay. Last one, strongest. Very good. Now I'm going to write a list of words and verbs, and you're going to come up and turn them into the comparative and superlative form. Okay? Let's begin. Now let me give you two irregular verbs. What do we mean by irregular? Let's check it out. We have good, we have bad. To form the comparative form, do we add er? Is it gonna be gooder, or what's it gonna be? Better. Okay, better. How about its superlative form? If someone is good, he's better than everyone, then he is the best. Okay, best. How about bad? What's the comparative adjective of bad? Worse. Very good. Worse. If a person is worse than everyone, then he is the worst. Worst. Okay. Any questions?